We're in Las Vegas at the Vanderpump Hotel. This is Jennifer Sparks. I'm very excited to be your tour guide today. My stay here was for 3 nights. Timing is everything. I was here also for the grand opening party, but that is another video. Let's talk about the new Vanderpump Hotel. If I could sum it up in a few words, I'd say it has attention to detail, but it has some flaws, which I'll discuss throughout this video. If you are coming here by car, there is a small parking garage and valet parking. This is also where you would find the taxis. My 3-night stay is being comped through Caesars for gambling. I did not receive anything free for making this video. When you check in, there is flavored water available and a lot of teacups and a sitting area. The lobby is small and there is no separate diamond check-in area. At check-in, we are gifted a Vanderpump coin. Across from the check-in is a sports book. I'm traveling with my friend Diana. We were able to check in right away, but our room wasn't ready. So I'm going to take you for a little walk and show you some of the bars, the casino, and a brief look at the pool. For those of you that are new to Vanderpump, it is a Caesars resort and it used to be the Cromwell. Let's go take a walk around and see what's different. It's honestly much darker than I thought it was going to be. I love the rugs though. The rugs are beautiful. It's hard to tell here because of the purple neon glow, but the walls and the ceilings are black. It's definitely feminine, but it has a sophisticated vibe. If you're familiar with how Cromwell used to look, it has the same footprints. The space itself hasn't changed much. It just looks like a whole different hotel. It's very elegant and thoughtful. It looks like a European garden party to me. Most of this video was taken about 6 o'clock in the morning, after the Dre's nightclub party goers have left and before everybody else has waken up. That's when I like to get up and explore. Let's talk about Dre's Beach Club. It is now Soleia. Dre's nightclub still exists, but it's in its original location down in the basement. One of the hottest daytime spots in Las Vegas is now a relaxing rooftop retreat. From this rooftop pool, you can see amazing views of the Las Vegas Strip. And if you're here in the afternoon, you could even see the Bellagio fountains. Bellagio and Caesars are right across the street from the Vanderpump Hotel. This pool is a great place to come for yummy food, and the food wasn't even that expensive. The coolest part that I found is you do not even need to be staying here to come here. Of course, those rules could change at any time, but when I was there, anybody could come, but you have to be 21 and up. Children are allowed to come here if you are staying at the hotel. Always check before you come. The rules could change at any time. One of the downsides about this hotel is there's really not a lot of places to dine. There is a Starbucks and there is a Giada, which I'm going to show you later. Giada's is a Vegas hidden gem. I don't even think a lot of people know about it. We're going to be seeing that soon. Now it's time to check out the room. There's not a lot of elevators here, so there may be a wait. And you have to be careful. Those doors close quickly and aggressively. Don't get trapped between those doors. I got over that really quickly when I saw this room. This is one of the prettiest rooms that I personally stayed in Las Vegas. This is a regular room with 2 queen beds. There are suites available. This was perfect for 2 people. It may be crowded for 3 or more. I absolutely love the shower, though it did not drain very well. I thought at first maybe it was supposed to be like that, where it left a little pool for your feet to soak. Love the rainfall shower. I loved it. But honestly, I think there was a little bit of a plumbing issue. I was very excited to try the Vanderpump shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, but it wasn't that great on my hair. The towels were very luxurious. I absolutely love the towels. There is a barn door that separates the bathroom from the rest of the room. This all was like this when it was Cromwell too. This was a nice surprise. There was bathrobes and slippers. You don't see that much in regular hotel rooms, usually just suites. And not always in suites either. I got excited at first when I saw our view. I thought we had a balcony, but the doors and windows do not open. Our direct view is of Bally's and the Grand Bazaar shops. There was a small area you could use as an office or to put your makeup on or do your hair. In the bathroom by the toilet, I forgot to film it, but there is a small window that you could open. This room had 1 small chair. The king rooms have a couch. The lighting was good. The soundproofing was bad. It was very noisy. This picture was by my bed. It made me a little sad. We were able to get apps right on the TV. There was no need to even pull out my Roku. The bed was fantastic. I just loved all the plush. I'm telling you, attention to detail. These pillows were heaven. They were 4 of them and they're huge. And this one was so soft. The bed itself is a little firm, but it's comfortable. I love the beds. The beds were fantastic. Other things I'd like to add is it really needs more hooks. There was nowhere to put more than just one towel somewhere. If you have a wet bathing suit or more than one towel, it really needs some more hooks. It needs more garbage cans too. There was only one small one. We filled it pretty quickly, but I loved everything. There's sparkle everywhere. It's just such a thoughtful design. Maybe it's just not finished yet. It just opened last week. Needs more garbage cans, needs more hooks. Look at that plumbing. Not much you could do about the sound. You're in the busiest area of Las Vegas. Let's talk about this mini bar. Wow. If you do stay here, make sure everyone in your party knows about this. This is all on sensors. If you pick it up, you may be charged for it, and it's going to be a lot of money. So just make sure that you don't touch it if you don't want to pay for it. But this was a very impressive selection. They even had a phone charger. There was also a cappuccino maker. If I had to critique anything, I just felt like maybe there could have been a better place for it, shelves or something like that. Having it all on the area right in front of the TV, it just left little places to put your personal belongings. That's it. Now let's go to and talk more about Soleia. You're going to need to take an elevator ride to the rooftop. You cannot get there from the room elevators. This is a separate entrance. You have to go through security to enter. They're going to check your bags, and then they're going to flag you down for weapons. I've never been here before. Even when it was a day club, the pool opened at 10. I don't know what it's going to be like. It's 11 o'clock now, but look at it. There's no one here. I was gasped. I was like, oh my gosh, this is an absolute paradise. I literally just came here to take a video, but I'm like, I got to go get my swimsuit on and come back because this is amazing. For me, other people may look at this and be like, oh, that's so dead. I don't want to go there. But for me, it's great. Like I said, this used to be a day club. This place was probably so loud and so busy, but they closed it and now they rebranded it and they reopened it, and nobody knows that you could still come here even if you're not staying here, at least at the moment. These are some of the cabanas. They have like little private hot tubs. I mean, oh my God. And I checked the prices and it was so reasonable. It was like $200 for one of these cabanas. I'm going to be showing you that very soon. There's a stage for DJs or live bands. I'm not sure what's going on with that. It wasn't being used during my visit. It's 4 separate pools, but they're all connected. Now let's talk about seating. The seating is very reasonable here, but there's not a lot of free seating. So if you want free seating, get there early. Look at this view from here. This is incredible. I was really impressed with this pool. There are several free day beds, first come, first serve. This pool area is owned by Caesars Entertainment, so if you are going to get a day bed or a cabana, make sure you bring your Caesars rewards card and present it so you can get tier credit. There are servers that will come around and take your order, but if you prefer, you could always go to the bar and order your food and drinks in person. Those little red chairs, the little circular things, and those white chairs, those are free chairs. Let's go check out a cabana. The day I was there, it was $200 for one of these. I was like, what? You get shade, couches, there's an air conditioner, a safe, a TV, a private hot tub, outside seating. These were some tacos that I got. They were delicious. They were chicken tacos. It had the green salsa. That jalapeno was super hot though. Be very careful. But this was really, really good. And I think it was $18. It wasn't that expensive. Every day right now, Vanderpump Hotel is having a social hour at Giada's, Soleia Pool, or Interlude. You could either get 1 glass of beer, wine, or soda. So today we're going to go check it out at Giada's. I'm going to go grab myself a glass of wine and some dinner. Let's go take a look at Giada's. This is a real hidden gem. It has a beautiful view. The prices, I think, are pretty reasonable for Las Vegas. Sorry, I'm trying to give you so much information in this video. I should have made it longer. If you found this video helpful in any way or enjoyable or entertaining, can you do me a favor and please like the video? I'll leave some playlists at the end of this video if you want to see more Caesars hotels in Las Vegas or anywhere else. I want to take you for a spin around here and show you these views. You could sit here and watch the Bellagio fountains. If the sun is too much for you or if there's too much glare, there are shades that will come down. If you're a small party or 2 or 4, those would be your best seats. But the other seats look great too. They look really comfortable. Again, attention to detail. Beautiful place settings and glasses. I love that all the tables are separate from each other. They're not right on top of the next guests. I decided to eat at the bar. Chicken parmesan, and I got a order of pasta too. because I had to, because it's homemade, and I couldn't decide what I wanted to get, and I decided I needed to have some protein because I've been eating so terrible this week. And the lettuce, that's perfect. Oh, this is a great meal. I'm so excited. What a beautiful place. Very nice place. During the social hour, I met some friends next to me. Hello, Melinda and your friends. You guys were really cool. On another visit here this week, my friend Diana and I split a pizza. Giada's is also part of the Caesars Drink Rewards program. If you are Diamond Plus and above, you get 4 free drinks a day. So it was nice to come here and get $25 drinks that were comped. We did that a lot on our trip. At this hotel, you could also do that same thing at Gigolo's. Normally, I just get the comp drinks at the casino, but this is a lot nicer. This is a spicy margarita and the greatest bartender.
Because this is a spicy margarita, it already has spicy elements to it, but if it's not spicy enough for you, I can add some more fire to it, okay?
Oh, I got you.
Yes.
Okay,
so
great.
Taste it for me first,
Okay, great.
and then if it's not enough spice, we'll add some more.
We'll add some of that.
Yeah, it's in the spray bottle.
Oh my goodness, okay.
I want to shield you from it because it spreads, okay?
Okay. Damn, that was like pepper spray. Fogged up my camera.
Line down!
One of the things I enjoyed most about this hotel was the staff. The staff was awesome, well-trained, and well-picked. Would I stay here again? Yeah, definitely, especially if I get comp rooms. Would I recommend it? Yes, but just know that it's a noisy hotel. It's a small hotel. There's not a lot of restaurants, but you could easily walk to so many other places. You are in the heart of Las Vegas if you stay here. If you want to see the video of the grand opening party, click on the playlist on the left-hand side. Click on the playlist on the right-hand side to see more Caesars resorts and to see more video tours about Las Vegas and other hotels to stay at. Click on the playlist on the bottom. But whatever you do, make sure you book that trip and you pack your bags and you go. This is your host, Jennifer Sparks. Always remember to be well to yourself and kind to others. Safe travels to you.